Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise from your audio in VN Video Editor in 2026. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your VN Video Editor. Once you have done that, simply tap on the option of this plus icon. Now from your gallery, you just have to tap on the option of New Project, select Video Based and tap on the option of Save. Now from your gallery, you just have to select that particular video in which you have your audio. Afterwards, tap on the option of Next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now once your clip is available in the VN Video Editor, you just have to tap on it and look for the option of Extract the Audio. Now here, as you can see, we have the option of the Extract Audio option. Now when you tap on the Extract Audio option, this is going to move your voice track to a separate audio layer, which makes the cleanup easier. Now VN does not have a built-in noise remover, so you must clean the sound before bringing it back. So you need to open any of the free noise removal application. So you can use Audiolab or Moises or Wave Editor or Dolby. So you just have to simply download and install these applications on your device. After that, you can use the noise reduction, clean the voice or the AI's voice cleaner tool. You just have to save the cleaned audio when you are done. When you return to VN Video Editor, you just have to tap on the plus icon in order to basically add your audio here. Now, after removing this audio, simply just put your audio track here inside it. Now, here when you tap on the option of your audios, you just have to go to the option of the settings. Here in the settings, simply look for the option of equalizer settings. Now here you can choose voice, podcast or vocal boost depending on your version. So this makes your voice cleaner and also reduces the leftover noise by lowering the muddy frequencies. You can also reduce the frequency of the video. So once you have done that, you can increase your voice volume a bit so that your noise becomes less noticeable. For this purpose, you can use the speed option, or you can also use the option of volume and the fades. So this way basically you will be able to remove the background noise while editing in VN Video Editor. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.